Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing our series of pattern therapy. I hope you have already practiced the previous ones, and I'm also looking forward to seeing all your creations. So you can share them on Instagram and tag me, or else you can also join my Facebook group or Kuhu channel and share them with me directly. For this pattern also, we are going to start by drawing our outline. This pattern is not divided into 4 by 4 boxes, and so that's why you can see that I'm just drawing the box freehand and I'm not worrying about the space or the measurements. The next step is to create these up and down hill like lines. I've taken 2 by 2 dots diagonally, so 2 dots upwards, then 2 dots downwards in a diagonal direction. You will complete this for the entire space that you have. Then again you will leave 2 dots, and from the third dot you will start the same just parallel to the previous one. So you will repeat these steps. The distance between these two lines are 2 dots. This has to be repeated for the rest of the allocated space. I'm again emphasizing that do not worry about being perfect or drawing perfect. Enjoy the journey. The next step is to draw exactly opposite direction from each of these starting points. So from every point where you drew 2 dots downwards, you will draw 2 upwards. You will notice that this will create a small intersectional area and a very small polygon between these two layers. So a very small intersectional area is being created between these two hill-like structures. Again, you will repeat this for the rest of the space. These pattern therapies are supposed to be therapeutic, and that's why you don't have to worry about drawing it perfectly. Just calm down your mind and draw these patterns. The next step is to join the starting points with the intersectional areas. So in the above region also I will complete this. So all these starting points of these hills will get connected to the tip of intersectional area. This will create a structure somewhat similar to a star, a 4-legged star. You will repeat this for all the structures in the rest of the space. I would recommend keeping a journal specially for these pattern therapies, and from starting one therapy or one pattern in one page, just like how I am doing in these videos. Now we will draw horizontal and vertical lines separating these stars. You can come up with your own variations where you can use different patterns inside. You can use different colors. Not only do I want these exercises to be therapeutic and relaxing for you, I also want your creativity to improve. And that's why I always mention that you have to think of variations. And with this, our pattern is complete. If you love it, subscribe and share. You can also connect with me on various social media platforms. The link is given in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video.